This is John with MopoRestorationParts.com. Today is day 7 on the motorhome. Probably my last full day on this particular stretch of making repairs. Right now we've done a few of the cosmetic things. Let me kind of show you. We got the windows all scrubbed with steel wool. There's a few spots, but we did the screens. I don't know if you can see them, but it turned out pretty well. There's one right there. We just used a gray nylon, and we did those last night. So at least give the old gal a little better look. But I'm replacing the carburetor right now. I'm in the middle of that. I'll get that on here. And I wanted to change the spark plugs and put some new wires on, but I for some reason forgot the socket for the spark plugs. Another project we're working on, let me go outside here, is the awning was almost tore off. So I've reattached the track for the awning, and I just got to get a couple of screws. I sent Ryan out to get them. He's still helping me out, but we'll get those screws in there and the big holes up there, and hopefully that'll be back and firm. I don't want to go down the road and have that stuff falling off. We fixed a few other tracks. They sell this rubber sleeve right here that goes in here that covers this, but I want to caulk all the bolts first, and you want to keep water out. Need a new door there, and see, like this one here's attached already. So anyway, that's the plan. We got one of the gas tanks right now, as we mentioned earlier, is at the place getting cleaned. I'll get that on Monday, and I doubt that I put it in because I can't find a sending unit at the moment. May have to have the old one rebuilt. It has the same value as far as ohms go, so it'll read on the gas gauge. If that works or not, I don't know, but one step at a time. So we've got a bunch of the stuff up here repaired. I got some more hardware, so now the grill's in nice and secure. A couple more there we still have to get a little smaller screws for, but yeah, she's starting to look good. We've got a lens that another motorhome here donated, so that's on. We bought one up there. I don't know if you can see it. The sun's getting pretty bright. It's supposed to be a heat warning here tomorrow, 105 degrees, so I'm not looking forward to doing too much. There's the awning that was on there, so I didn't notice it. It had a little crack right there, but I guess it doesn't really affect the operation. May have to get a new one of those someday anyway. So anyhow, we're plugging away. I'm gonna probably get it running here in a few minutes after I get this hooked up. So as we continue, the saga continues on the Apollo. Stay tuned for the next episode. All right, day 7. This is John, MopoRestorationParts.com. Keep checking me out. Bye.